Okay, how do you complete albums in Monopoly Go? Well, I'm going to go to my albums right here, and as you can see, I only need one card for the Great Race. So basically, if you want to complete your albums, you can click on the card that you're missing and you can ask the Facebook group. So this will load up a Facebook page where you can tell them that you need the card, in my case, Boring, and they will hopefully get back to you and might request a sticker in return. So that's one way of how you can complete it. If you're missing a gold card, as you know, you can't really trade gold cards unless there's an event. So if you need a gold card, you have to wait for the Golden Blitz event, which pops up to the side right here. And then basically, if you get lucky with the card that you can exchange, you can then ask to repeat the same process and ask for the golden card. So you hopefully complete your albums in Monopoly Go. So those are two ways of how you can do it really. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub. I'll see you next time.